Alright, nagpasama sa akin si Predator, boyfriend duties. Hindi ako nakapag-basketball dahil sa'yo.
Okay lang yun.
My goodness.
Nalagyan. Nakalimutan ko naka-dark ako. Burayin na lang natin.
Diba dito ka nagpakilay? Ang gagawin natin dito?
Hindi ako magpapagawa ng kilay. May titingnan lang ako. Sandali lang.
Okay.
Which shades do you have for the lipstick?
We have different kinds of shades per collection.
I
Shopping
want
na
yung mga
naman.
dark. Can I check? Yes.
My
Different
goodness
texture.
me.
Ayan, please
I
give me
hate
one.
shopping.
And tapos ano, 2 more please.
Compare mo rin itong ginger soap bago to maganda.
How much?
200 na.
Ay, sige yan, bigyan mo na rin.
More soap?
Biko, gusto ko ng ganito eh. How much yung total?
1,600.
May...
Gamit na ng 10% off.
Nobody
yeah,
cares.
discount.
I hate
Sige,
shopping.
you have toilet here.
Straight lang po.
Sige, toilet lang ako.
Hi sir, cash or card?
Huh?
Cash or card po yung mode of payment.
Did she not pay?
Hindi po.
Okay. Cash. How much?
May discount po siya 9,500.
There you go.
Ready to see 10,000.
Yes.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you so much. Thank you, guys. See you. Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Let's go!
Ba't nawala ka?
Sinakot ko yung tiyan ko, babe. Ang sakit talaga.
Sakto kung kailang bayaran doon ka nawawala.
Hindi sakto nga. Sumakit talaga ang sakit dito.
Ang galing mo talaga yun. Sabi mo may titignan ka lang. Titignan mo 10,000. Ganun yung tingin. Ayos. Thank you. Thank me.
Thank you.
Yan, thank me.
Sakit. Naawa.
Galing mo talaga, man.